Hi, this is Steve Schultz. I'm here to introduce DSA Encore to the concept of Liberty Reports, which is a Microsoft Excel add-in that enhances the ability of Excel to extract data from Prolog Manager. Recently, we've implemented Prolog today so that Ken Kalishko can open up Prolog and see the dashboard of all of the open items for RFIs, for hot list, and for punch list. And I direct your attention to the row here labeled DSA Prolog Setup and Test Project and the test for Liberty Reports. Uh, this is the hot list. It's fine. You can use it. I encourage you to do so. I just want you to make sure you know that you have an option to do very similar work directly from Excel without having to use up a Prolog license. So let's go ahead and close Prolog today. And you'll see we're at the RFI test for Liberty Reports, and the date answered is blank. And that means that it is not answered. The closed item up here is not how we're checking. It's the date answered field that is the key for the Prolog today's reports. So I'm going to switch over now to go to Microsoft Excel, and I'm in the spreadsheet that's been pre-formatted. I'm going to go ahead now and update it to refresh it to put the test for Liberty Reports back in because I had previously run it, and now we just updated our data. So now we're good to go for this week's meeting or follow-up. So at this point, you might want to know as you're going through this doors. Let's say you're seeing this line item here called doors and what that's about. Well, that's RFID number 18 here. And we can scroll down to the detail tab and we can put in RFI number 18 manually, and it'll come up and show us the detail for the question. So you always have the ability to look at the details without having to leave Excel. The analysis tab, workbook or worksheet, whatever they call those things, shows us how many architectural, electrical, mechanical, and unlabeled items there are. So there's 39 unanswered RFIs as being reported in Prolog Manager as I pull this data. Let's go show how it works with the update. Going back to Prolog now, I'm going to put in the date answered with Control D, drops in today's date, and I'll save the information and commit the changes. And I will go ahead and close this RFI. Going back to the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, I'll go back to the Data tab, and the test for Liberty Reports is still here because I haven't updated the sheet. So I'll scroll up a little bit here and go to the refresh button under add-ins, and now it's gone. So this is how people work every day in Prolog, and then Ken or whoever in management can use Excel to get a spreadsheet of all of the open RFIs. That's it. I appreciate your attention, and if you have any questions, give me a call at 240-246-6768. And of course, I have a DSA Encore email address. Bye now.